All right, just a quick show of how I remove HTV from a shirt. So I take my heat press, I put it on the highest setting, and then I kind of press it on the plate. This is very dangerous. It is hot. So you just kind of, you see the smoke coming off of it. So I just press it on there, let it kind of melt, and just kind of peel the vinyl up. So I'm gonna try, because this zero is like really lumpy bumpy and it's annoying me. So I'm going to take it up. It's kind of melting the other vinyl. I don't like that. Mine's just not coming up. Typically, kind of, if you can grip it, I think I need new tweezers. There we go. Goodness, it's not. Usually if you can grab a corner, I think it's my tweezers, they're not really grabbing. You see how it's melting. I don't want it to mess up the other vinyl. This heat press is hot. Like I could just feel the heat coming off of it. Alright, so I'm going to try to lay this down. Hang on, this shirt out the way. God dang it. And kind of just... Usually I get it off really quickly. I'm not sure why it's not. There we go. So you just kind of peel it. Peel it. Peel it. Don't touch the other vinyl unless you want it off, because it is also heating up as well. So you want to kind of move fast, because you don't want that to peel up. And just peel it. And I'm putting the zero back in the same spot so the adhesive marks won't really matter. The good to know part is it was adhered to the shirt very well. You see how long it took me to kind of get it up, and then it's cooling off, so you just kind of put it back on the plate. That's why it's not moving right there, because it's cooling off. This part was stuck, so I'm gonna... I hope y'all can see this. I know I'm like in the way, but I'm trying to get it off and not burn myself at the same time. Oh my goodness. These tweezers are just driving me crazy. They don't grip the stuff up anymore. Alright, let me see if this is heated back up. There we go. Alright, so I'm just going to press it. Oh, shoot. I'm going to stab myself with the tweezers. So just press it on there some more. And sometimes you can get it real good where you don't have any adhesive laying there. And then sometimes, I keep meaning to say I'm about to spray to kind of just spray and wipe the adhesive off, but I have not gotten around to it. So... And I think you could just get that off of Amazon. I've seen it somewhere else. I'm trying not to burn my fingers. See, my tweezers won't close. I think it's some epoxy on there. I think I figured it out. Yep, it's epoxy on there. So, yep, Okay, so there we go, everybody. It was like I couldn't grab it. Okay, and that's it. It usually does not take that long, but for some odd reason, none of my tweezers or anything will grip the vinyl up. But you see it left like adhesive on there, but like I said, I'm gonna put the 0 back in that same spot so it doesn't even matter. You won't even see it once it's done. And then you just kind of carefully remove your heat press. 0. Get the lint roller, clean that area up, and put the new 0 there. Okay, excuse me. So all I did was just cut out a new 0 and put it right on top of there, and you can't even tell that it was I removed the 0. Now, see the adhesive is there from the other one. I just simply laid the new one on. Make sure it's straight. And then I will press that O on, and you won't even be able to tell that I removed the O, the 0. I keep saying the O, the 0 to begin with. When I took the vinyl off, because the heat press was on, the easy press was on 400 degrees, it kind of made the other letters ruffle and get kind of hard. So all I did was just put the heat press over it again, and now it's back to smooth, and you can't even tell that any additional heat was added to the vinyl. So that's pretty much it on how to place HTV. And then if you have to, which I did not want to, but that crease was driving me insane, and to remove it, and then you just kind of add it right back on place and keep it moving. So that is all. Until next time, everyone. Peace.